Milwaukee grease gun. Seen better days. This is the M18 GG. Does she work? That's a start anyway. She's not putting out any grease. Is there any grease? Oh, there's a problem straight away. No handle. And that's why she's not putting out grease. No grease on her. Right, so that must be the problem. Just bust the handle. So that sits there. There's a little notch here for locking it on. So that's supposed to run the whole length of this tube. Simple enough fix, just buy that piece of metal. No, not that simple. Not from Milwaukee anyway. Of course Milwaukee wouldn't make it that easy for you. They don't sell that part. You have to buy everything. This, the whole bar, the end cap, the tube, the spring, everything's one piece. So I want that handle there, that bar, but of course I can't order that on its own. I have to order all of this, part number 33, all together. So even the wee bits I don't need, that's the only way I can get that handle on its own. And that's 70 or 80 euro for me to get on, plus the VAT. Ah, feck you Milwaukee. Obviously this thing is going to need a bit of a clean up as well. So once you actually take off the hose and we clips for the hose and the belt in the box, there's only like 10 or 11 parts on this actual gun that you can buy. There's another thing. Bit of the old grease cartridge. So need a good clean out, make sure there's nothing else down on here. Get rid of the old grease. Try a cheaper alternative here first before buying this part. Can't use a bit of threaded bar because it has to lock into here. The threads are just getting the way of this moving. Wouldn't move down properly. So I just need a piece of steel, that size, and about yawn length. So that costs 70 euro. But you can go buy a grease gun for about 20 euro. Yeah, I think I'll just use one of these instead. That's all I want. All I need now is a little notch down here. That is only just to hook onto this. Whenever you, sorry, it's up this end. So whenever I pull that back, I can clip it on there. So what? Right about there. One new bar. Spot on. Now, well, you take a grease cartridge, There you go, lads. If you break your pull handle, don't be going spending 70 quid on Milwaukee. Just go and buy an old cheap grease gun, or get an old broken one you have lying at the house. Use that handle instead. Now, I cannot just send it back looking like this. So I'm going to give us a clean up as well. I'm just going to give us gun a full clean down as well, because she's filthy. Now that I know she works, may as well do it. It's a bit cleaner looking. That's better. Ah, yes. That's much more better. It's looking a bit more decent now. Ready to go. So break your handle, lads. Just buy an old cheap grease gun. Use that one. Sure as hell beats paying €70 to buy it from Milwaukee. Hope you enjoy that kind of content, lads. If you enjoy it, hit like, subscribe and follow. Plenty more to come. And hit the notification button now as well. Cheers.